Well, see, this is one conductor and this is another conductor. Current is flowing in this conductor is I1. Current flowing in this conductor is I2. Those two are slant, making an angle theta with each other. The question asked is, there is a small portion. There is a small portion here. On this small portion of the conductor, what is the force acting? That is the question, right? See, this is the small portion. You take its component, simple to solve the problem. This component makes an angle theta. So, because it is making an angle theta with vertical, so this component is dl cos theta. Yes or no? Now it is just like a conductor I1, and here is one conductor whose length is dl cos theta, separated by
sound.
well. Then what is the force acting on this small element? Mu naught by 2 pi I1 I2 by d L dl cos theta. Next, see, this is one conductor, a long straight conductor. I1 current is flowing through it. From that conductor, in the same plane, a loop, let a square loop is placed. A square loop is placed. The square loop of side of length A, let it is at a distance B. This side is at a distance B. This conductor and the loop both are in the same plane. Okay. In this loop, if I2 current flows, what is the force acting on that conductor? Force acting on the loop, sorry. Force acting on this loop is what? This is one conductor in which current I1 is carrying. It is a long infinite conductor. This is a loop of side length A. Both are in the same plane. And I2 current is flowing in this. What is the force between these two? Or what is the force acting on the loop? They ask you. Well, see this. This loop is a combination of four straight conductors. This conductor in the same plane perpendicular. Just now we solved the problem. And this conductor is also in the same plane but perpendicular to this. This conductor and this conductor are parallel. Right? Let force acting on this F1, force acting on this F2, force acting on this F3, force acting on this F4. Can I write with the directions? Because In these two, if you observe, current is flowing in the same direction, attractive. Yes or no? If you take this, current is flowing in opposite direction than this, repulsive. Here, due to this, it is a straight conductor, current is flowing upward. Here, if you see the field inward, current is flowing up. Here, current is flowing in this direction. Force is upward. If force here is upward, here force is downward.
Yes, sir. Downward. Cancel.
Okay, is it clear? This conductor and this conductor both are having same length and at same distance from. So forces F2 and F3 are equal and opposite. So they cancel out with each other. So these two cancel out. Is F1, F4 are equal? But F1 is not equal to F4 because F1 is at lesser distance. F4
Distance.
is of B plus A. Okay. So which is greater here?
Yes, sir.
Which is
F1 is
F1 is great.
F4 greater? Which is greater?
F2
F1 is
F1
or
or
F2.
F4? F1 is greater because distance.
F1 is great.
So F1 is greater than,
F2.
and also F1 is attractive, F4 is repulsive.
Repulsive.
Can I write F1 minus F4? Because F2, F3 is 0. Okay. Emma, what is F1? Mu naught by 2 pi I1, I2 into F1.
1 by A minus 1 by B.
Emma,
1 by B.
1 B
1 by B,
B
minus 1
minus
by
A
A
plus.
A
A plus B.
minus 1 by
B
B
plus
plus
A.
A.
B plus A. This is the answer. Total force acting on the loop. This question also asked in previous entrance by giving this distance same. Note down. Next one. Completed.
Yes, sir.
Well. There is one conductor which is fixed between two rigid supports. There is one conductor fixed between two rigid supports. This conductor flow, a long conductor which is fixed between these two. Above there is another conductor which is free. Another conductor. This is another conductor. Its mass is M. Its length is L. Mass is M, length is L. This conductor not to fall, to be at equilibrium. What is the condition? This conductor to be at equilibrium, I take this as first conductor, conductor 1, and this I take as conductor 2. Conductor 2 to be at equilibrium. First tell me, what is the direction of current? What is the direction of current in it?
West to east.
It is flowing from left to right. In this conductor, what should be the direction of current? Come on. Once it is free, its weight acts downward. Due to that weight, it falls down. To be at equilibrium, to be at rest in air, there must be a force which should act in upward direction.
Upward.
So force should act in upward direction. So what type of force it needs? Repulsive force or attractive force?
Repulsive.
It requires repulsive force. To have a repulsive force, what should be the direction of current in this? Is it in the same direction of this or opposite direction of this?
Opposite.
Opposite direction, right? So direction of the current here, opposite to direction of the current in one. That is from where to where? Left. Right to left. If the distance between these two is r, distance between, what is the mathematical condition for that conductor to be at equilibrium? Its weight should be balanced by the force due to magnetic field. Weight, force is what? Mu naught by 2. I1, I2. R into L. Come on.
Yes.
This is the condition. This is a conductor fixed. First conductor. Another conductor is here now. Here is another conductor. Let in this current flowing is I1. Same question. This conductor 2 to be in equilibrium. First question. Direction of current. Come on. Direction of current in the conductor 2. Conductor 2 to be in equilibrium, not to move up, not to move down, to be at. What is the direction of current in it? Here, below this. Its weight act downward.
Yes, sir.
So it need to undergo attraction. Yes or no? To have an attraction,
Yes.
what should be the direction of current here?
Same direction.
To undergo attraction, what should be the direction of current?
Same direction as I1.
Same direction as I1. Good. Write down that condition. Same direction as I1 means if I take left and right, this is from left to right. That is same direction as I1 direction. Same as I1. Good. What is the condition? If the distance between these two to be r, is it not the same condition? Mg is equal to mu naught by 2 pi I1 I2 by r into L. Same. Next. three conductors. One, there are three conductors. Between these two, distance is A. Between these two, distance is B. What is the force per unit length on the middle conductor? If its length is L, given to you, what is the force per unit length on conductor 2? 1, this is 2, and this is 3. On conductor 2, come on. What is the force per unit length on conductor 2? What to see? What are the directions of currents first? How the current direction?
Same.
Is it undergo attraction or repulsion by this?
Attraction.
Attract. So due to first one,
F.
F on 2 due to 1. Attraction. Compare this.
Attraction.
They are also in the same direction.
Attraction.
So due
Yes.
to it undergo attraction 2 due to 3. How those two forces are?
Opposite.
Opposite. So the net force per unit length. If these distances are equal, it is 0. If the distances are
0.
currents are equal, 0. If not,
1 by N.
0. Then F by L is what? 1 by L into F 2 1 difference of F.
Difference of 2.
Emma? Okay. Then what is the formula? Write the expression.
U naught by
2 pi common,
2 pi.
I2 common, by L common, then F21,
I1 by A.
I1
I1 by A.
difference of I3
I3 by B.
B.
I3 by B.
That's it. If I ask
Sir, LL.
by L for conductor 1, can we? Net force acting on a conductor 1, on this conductor, I want. Due to this, attraction or repulsion?
Attraction.
At 2 1 plus 3 1.
Is it okay? Due to this, see the currents, how they are.
Attraction.
In this
Same direction.
Attraction.
attraction also. So, on conductor 1, what is the net force? You know,
F12 plus F31.
1. I1 common, by if its length is given, that is common. Then,
And I2 by A.
I2 by A plus I3 by
I3 by A plus B.
A plus B.
A plus B. That's it. In the same way, you can write the force acting on third one also.
Yes, sir.
You write down. See, whenever is given what to see, directions of currents. Depending upon the direction of currents, you take the direction of the force and they take the vector sum. That's it. Write down for the third conductor also. You write down homework.
Sir, I2 by B plus I1 by A plus B, sir.
Okay, ma. Good, correct. I2 by B plus I1 by A plus B.
A plus B.
If you are asked what is the direction of this, if this is
Towards I1.
right, from where to
Towards B.
towards
Towards B. B.
towards this or towards this? Huh?
Towards
I
second
towards
conductor.
I.
Left to
Right.
left to right, man. In this case, and in the another
Yes, sir.
reverse. Okay,
Right to left.
both are attracting in the same direction, right?
Yes, sir.
Attractive force is from left to right. Next. See, there is one conductor. Infinite straight conductor carrying current I. From this conductor, here there is a pole, magnetic pole. There is a magnetic pole of pole strength M placed. The question one is, what is the force on pole, which is at a distance D from here? Force on pole. Come on. From a straight conductor at a perpendicular distance D, a pole, magnetic pole of pole strength M is placed. What is the force acting on that pole by that current carrying conductor? Are, what ma? Force on pole, is it not MB?
Yes, sir.
What, sir? Small formula. M. B is what? Mu naught by
Mu not by
MB
2
by
pi.
no,
I by D.
here.
I by D.
That is force. And this second question they asked is, if this pole is rotating, what is the work done? Work done to rotate the pole.
MB cos theta 1 minus cos theta 2.
The pole, work done to complete one rotation. To complete one rotation, what is the work done?
Zeros.
See, generally in the answers you find 0 also. When it is 0, whenever that force is acting towards the center, it is 0. But here pole does not experience the force towards the center. Here, what is the field direction? This is field direction, right?
Tangent.
And
Yes, sir.
so force
Anti-clockwise.
experience always the force towards the along the field direction. It is not towards the center about which it is rotating. So force is not 0. Then force is equal to what, sir? Force, okay,
Centrifugal.
0, not force mass, sorry. Work is not 0.
Work done.
Work is force into its displacement, distance, total distance covered. In one rotation, what is the distance covered?
Two pi
F
r.
into F.
F into 2 pi.
Yes.
Come on, man. 2 pi r.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Here. Done. M. 2 pi. I by.
I by D.
In 2 pi d. 2 pi 2 pi. D d.
D D can.
Cancel. M.
Mu not Mi.
Mu naught. M into I.
I. 2.
2 is also cancelled, man. 2 pi 2 pi.
Sorry.
Mu naught Mi. To complete n rotations, what is the work done?
N into.
N mu naught.
Into mu naught Mi, right down. to complete n rotations. Total work done. W total. N into mu naught mi. Right? Okay, ma. Today we end the session and tomorrow again at 8 o'clock. Okay. We start the session.
Okay, sir.
Right, ma.